up? What up? Oh, just getting all my everything up and running here. Just getting everything up. It's crazy. I had to restart the computer. Boom, boom, boom. What's going on, everybody? What up? What up? Oh, solid day so far. Solid day. Man, we're just hanging around this pivot point right now. Oh, kind of feels like we're going to dump here, though. If they don't turn this around quick. Just kind of looks like we're rolling. Just making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And then I feel like it's going to just feels that way. We had a really nice pivot point bounce this morning. That was perfect. You would have caught the very bottom. As low as you can get it. I caught the bottom on that today. Whew. That's weird. What just happened? Man, I just reset my computer. Can you hear me? I just want to make sure you can hear me. I reset my computer. I reset. I just want to make sure it's working. I want to make sure my mic is working. I reset the computer. Can you hear me? Anybody? I know we just got on the stream. People coming in. I just want to make sure the mic is working since I reset the computer. Also, some people said I had a low mic on some of my videos, so I reset the computer to kind of see if that fixed everything. Actually, you know what? I'll just check it. I'll check it on the phone. See this coming through. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we just keep riding that train. The 200 down. Oh. Man, Bitcoin is taking a beating today. Wow. That was a dump. Bouncing it right back. Bouncing it right back up. What up? Day's going pretty good. Day's going pretty good. Funded accounts up. Yeah, funded accounts up, getting some evals up. Getting really tight here. Getting really, really tight. Man, this is super, super tight here. I don't think they're going to break this up. I just have this weird feeling that it's going to roll. What's going on, new people on the stream? What's up? What's up? How you guys doing today? Today's been pretty good over here, at least. It's following all the technicals. If you follow my pivot points, you would have bought at the very bottom today. You would have bought right there. That was a nice move up this morning. And now, after that move up, we've just been kind of consolidating, and maybe we break out. But this has been basically chopping for the last hour or so. We really can't define a trend in the market. It's kind of got to just can't stay over the 200 every time. Every single time. Man, that's a hard rejection. Funded accounts up today. I'm almost going to get another payout in 2 accounts, which is nice. Grab another 4,000 from Apex. Started the take profit trader thing today. That's a that didn't really go anywhere yet. I was actually down $200 and made it all back. Boom, boom, boom. Come on. This is tight. I should have shorted up there, to be honest. I was talking about it rolling. And when we hit 200, I probably should have grabbed it. This I'm just looking. Yeah, that's a nice move. It's a real nice move. It does look like it's going to go down, though. It looks like you're going to roll a little bit. Can't get over the 200 and just keeps failing and making lower highs. You're rolling over. I might just play something just to play. What we got? We got some evals to just toy with. Here we go. Come on. Let's see what happens here. It's not a high percentage move, but just drop it. Just drop it a little bit. If we just get out of this little zone here, we'd see a nice little move. Come on. Is he going to break it? Oh, yeah. Take one. Get my stops in there. Let's see. Come on. Can we get a push? A little push action? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hope you guys caught it on the stream. Jeez. Hope you guys followed. Wow. What did we just get? Almost 20 points? See if I can get it on the way back up. Oh, this is so risky. Oh, they stopped me out. I figured we were going to test right here and just bounce for a quickie. We didn't. It's whatever. We crushed it on the way down. Crushed it. Crushed it. It's just chopping around. I wouldn't be surprised if they bring it back up. See, what they did was I kind of got caught, but they basically just swept the lows filled people's stop losses and then just brought it back up. That's pretty much all that just happened there. Can't believe I got stopped out. Oh, that's nice. Congrats, man. Congrats. Yeah, that was a nice bounce, too. You played both ways right there. That was nice. Whew. It feels like the trend is down, though. Man, if we can get a retest of 823, that would be that'd be pretty solid. That's what I'd probably be looking for on the downside, somewhere around 823. Basically, retest this pivot point. Oh, shnikes. Gonna need a coffee or something soon. But yeah, what's going on, new people on the stream? Feel free to say what's up in the chat. Any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer any questions you guys might have. Pretty open book here. That was a nice dump that we just caught, though. That was legit. I just don't. I think it's going to continue down. Just feels weak in the near term, at least. I'd like to get some more funded accounts over for my July 1st payout. I got this one that's not that bad. This one that's kind of close. Then I have a couple on my Rhythmic account that's pretty good. Hit Apex up for some money. Just not getting real setups. Like, I'll be honest with you, just not getting setups. You're kind of just chopping around here. Let's see what we got on the higher time frames, maybe. Yeah, I guess you could have taken a Wick retest right there at 73. You'd get 10 points off of it. I like those Wick retests. No, you're sitting right at the hourly 200. That's interesting. That's real interesting. Came down. I kind of like that. That's, at least I know something's over here. Man, that pivot point came in money today. Money. Look at that. This has all the makings of just looks like it's rolling. Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody doing? You guys hitting anything up? I didn't even realize my Top Step account was up today. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Oh, by the way, Top Step has some deals going on right now for anyone that's interested. They're going to be giving away a free reset. Actually, I'll read the email to you guys. They are doing trading combine discount on Tuesday for, I guess, viewers on some video. Free reset on Thursday. And that's it. Yo, what up, MK? What's going on, man? What are you doing? You trading today? We just caught this dump in here. Literally, whatever this is, we caught 20 points. I just got it live on the stream from like right up here to basically 20 points we just caught on the stream. Now I just kind of feel like we're going to continue to grind lower, not dump, just kind of grind. What'd you do today? You up? Are you gonna be able to hit the funding window for Apex on the 1st to the 5th, or what are you trading? Take Profit Trader? I'm trying. How about you? Dude, I might. So I have this one that's like $900 away. This one that's like $800 away. My mic is kind of echoing. You know what? Let me see what I could do here. I reset my computer. Let me look. I'm gonna try unplugging and then plugging it back in. You hear me better? What's it sound like now? What does it sound like now? You can see in the thing how close I am. Really? It's got to be this close? Let me, okay, hold on one second. I didn't know that. Obviously, I'm new at this stuff. So, all right. So what if I keep it, look, I'm on the stream. It's literally right in front of me. Is this good right here, this distance? So, all right, good. All right, so so I have those accounts. I have one that's at $52,000 $162. So I am $440 away from getting a payout in that account. I got another one at 50. I have one over. I have an account over, so I can definitely request 2,000 on the first. Have you requested yet, MK? Yeah, we're getting that grind right now, that grind lower. Just kind of feels like we're going to roll. I wouldn't be surprised if we see the I wouldn't be surprised if we get to the lower right here, the pivot point, and kind of test the test it out. I just scalped that little. What did I get off that? Four. I got 4 points. Wow, huge, huge, huge. Oh. So just to let you guys know, anybody that's new, some of the deals they're running, Bullnox is running a 90% off deal right now for any of you new guys. Save yourself some money. Bullnox is they only have Rhythmic accounts though, no Tradeovate. I got a crazy video I'm going to make today about users with Tradeovate and rules that you don't even know exist, I guess, and nobody's responsible for what happens on Tradeovate. For the prop firms are not responsible if like something happens on Tradeovate that negatively impacts you. Nothing happens. I meant to make this video a while to show everybody, and it's crazy. I actually have a screenshot of when it happened to me, and nobody cared. True story. And then I looked in the rules, and the rules say that they're not going to do anything. I'm just trying to find it in here. Oh, I found it on my phone. I'm just trying to find it. I'm gonna look for this video. When I make the video tonight, I'll find it. It literally shows me getting filled at an area that the candle didn't even exist in, and yeah. So you can only imagine. I'm sure people are gonna have a field day with it. Yeah, we are not liable or responsible for any trading platform issues, as you have agreed to it in terms and conditions. Oh, here it is. I gotta show you this. Let's see if I can make this bigger for you guys. Whoa. Bum, bum, bum. Here we go. I'm going to show you this. Yo, what up, Risky? Do you use daily bias? You mean like my bias on if I think the market's going to go up or down? Is that what you're talking about? MK, this is what I'm talking about. I was filled here and the candle's all the way up here. And they didn't even care. That's it's like a 33 point difference. No. So basically, Risky, what I look at to start my day is if there was any news. If there was CPI news, if there was, any type of news early on in the day that would set the tone for the day, that would give me a bias. Also, that would let me know if I'm going to be looking for um, a trend day. Because that'll help me identify a trend day or not. If we have like CPI or something like that, um, then that would put my bias one way or the other. Other than that, I don't really like. I care, but I'm not sitting here being like, oh well, I think we're going to go up today, so I'm just going to buy long. Because if I just did that constantly, I would probably get smoked. Um, I want to focus on. I'm going to be focusing on more what's going on for the news currently. But if there's no news, there's no bias to me because we can go up, we can go down. Like without news, you could just chop around. So I can't sit here and say, "Oh, I have a bias to go up," when you know it it's not really going to help me if I sit here and do something like that. I would rather. How do I check if there's news? Great question, Vexus Trading. All right, so it's called the economic calendar. So I'll bring it on to. I use Market Watch's economic calendar. We'll just. All right. So by me doing that, I literally just hosed my camera for you guys. I can't. I gotta look into what's going on with my computer. But here you go. I'm gonna show you what's going on right now. So I'm at Market Watch, the economic calendar, and basically shows you the day and shows you what's going on during the day. So Mary Daly speaks today at 2 o'clock. Now, I don't know how important that is. That's up to you. The big things that I'm looking for are, you know, jobless claims will move the market, GDP, pending home sales a little bit. The things that are going to set the tone of the market, like PCE is definitely something you want to watch out for. CPI, ISM manufacturing will move the market. Jobless claims again. I mean, some of the stuff will move the market, but it won't create like a trend day. What you're looking for is like inflation numbers and things like that, retail sales. These things could move the whole market, and keep it kind of going through the day. That's kind of what I'm looking for if I'm going to try finding a trend day. Now, if I'm just trading, I'm probably playing level to level, and I'm just kind of playing what the market gives me. I'm not necessarily looking for anything crazy. I play more technicals. I don't even play news, to be honest with you. You can't play news in a lot of these, so don't try to play news. But a lot of it does set the tone for the rest of the day. You'll get some type of direction, but you can't have a bias, because if you have a bias, you're never going to be able to play one direction or the other. So like if I have a bias that we're going to go up today, you're going to be unable to play the downside, which then could cost you a lot of money. Either you're going to start, if you only think it's going to go up, then you might only play to the upside, therefore missing out on opportunities to the downside. But you might only be trying to catch these like little bounces and then losing money. So I would play what the market gave you rather than playing anything else. Don't get a bias during the day. If anything, if CPI or inflation, that will set the tone for the day. But do not sit here and think one way or the other and then have that thought process go through the whole day. If you should understand what I'm trying to get at with that. You got to play setups. Like I play technical setups, and then that's it. You play them to the upside, you play them to the downside, and that's it. You're just kind of putting things in place to create a higher percentage trade, and that's what I would recommend doing. I also trade off of this for the most part. This is Trading View for any of you new guys. And all the scripts I use are over here and down here. This is kind of like everything I look for is on here. I try to keep it as simple as possible. You actually don't even need this to clear up the chart even more. And that's pretty much what I'm looking at is right in front of you. How do I take my entry? Great question. So I play only a couple things. I play pivot points, and then I play a lot of like 34 rejection or bounces. No, man, this is why I created this channel, is to kind of give back and kind of talk about this stuff to other people. The more I talk about it, I feel like the better I do. So I don't mind talking about it at all. So I'll look for like the green line's to 34, and I'll look for 34 rejections, which you could see we've rejected plenty of times today. If we were above it, I'd be looking for 34 bounces. VWAP is right here, so I look for VWAP rejections, and I'll play around VWAP. This is the 200. Same thing. So that's support or resistance to me. And then I have this line, which is the 9. And it's basically just for trend, to kind of look at the trend as we move up or down, to maybe look for a reversal. As you can see, we're unable to get above the 9, and being that so, we just keep trending lower. What's my thoughts on Arctic funding? Never heard of it. Let's bring it up. Arctic funding. Now, I'm just curious. You saw an ad. What made you think it was good? Oh, you could trade 600 plus stocks, or let's see. Wow, dude, this is $350 for an account, for an eval account. So just to line this up real quick. Stage 1, you have to get 5,000. Yeah, I don't know how to see. You guys had me bring this thing back, and I can't bring the camera back unless I restart the stream. I don't know what happened here. Hold on. Let me see if I can bring up my NVIDIA and my NVIDIA broadcast app. Let me see what happens when no, it says source camera busy. Yo, Joe, what up? The camera was working fine. I'm gonna unplug it and plug it back in. I'm literally right here. Um, let's see what happens. Okay, I unplugged it and I just plugged it back in. I see a black screen. Top step account or get a oh. Yo, what's up? I just realized that if I don't have my camera, you guys can't hear me unless I put this on the stream. Yo, I got Take Profit Trader on right now. Hold on, it's this tab right here. Oh, I'm not even paying attention. We just dumped. Holy shnikes. Here we go. I didn't realize we dumped. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Flip it up. Flip it up. Flip it up. Oh, geez. So, I'll be honest with you. Lucky I wasn't. Yo, what up? What up, Kellyanne? What's up? Come on. They need to push this bad boy right here. All right. Made some of that back. Jeez. I didn't I was trying to fix my camera here. My camera is out ever since I brought on the economic news, and it's like my computer couldn't keep up or something. So so now I'm trying to fix my camera as we speak. Uh, let's see what I can do to try to fix this thing. Video blur. I don't know why. So weird. There we go. I broke the window behind my desk. If you could see on my screen, I completely broke it. Do not do work with a oh man, this thing's broke. This thing's just I need Yo, I'm back. Do you guys see me now? Did I fix this? Did I fix this? The whole thing froze. I'm trying to fix it now. Oh, there we go. All right. Did I fix this thing? I just want to make sure you guys hear me? All right. Oh man. Man, this completely effed up my trading. I'm trying to fix this camera while doing this shit. Uh do not Oh man, I'm trying to see if we bounce right here off of 19,800. I'm willing to take the shot. That's kind of my thesis behind this trade is just a I don't other than that, I don't like it. It's literally just okay. Got some money in my funded account. Come on. Blast this thing up. We need a beach background. Library. All right, hold on one second. Let me see. You want a beach background? I got one for you. Oh, let me see if I could hold on one second. I just want to possibly take a take profit trader trade here. Why I go to try fixing this. Every time you got 60 points. I wish I got 60 points. There we go. I'm trying to get this account back up here. It's just messing around with this. By the way, like streaming and stuff is awesome, guys, but it definitely hurts my trading. That I will tell you right off the bat. My trading suffers every time with wow, that was the bottom. That was the bottom, guys. Yeah, I'll be honest with you, it is super hard. I have cameras that don't work sometimes. I'm trying to answer people's questions because I listen. I want to answer everybody, and I will answer everybody if I don't answer right away. But just like this, like I could have got in more accounts right here at 19,800 and probably made a lot more money, and the cookie just didn't crumble that way. You know, I ended up not getting as much as I can, and it's okay because at the end of the day, I'm doing this to kind of give back. So, you know, it is what it is. All right, let me go to videos. Kellyanne, you like that one? I'm on the beach. I'm on the beach. Yeah, getting base hits, but every once in a while I need to slam one home. I want that $800 in each account trade. The Pirates go. Yeah. Oh, I got to work on this software. Actually, it's Talk Studio Streamlabs. It's not the desktop one. Bust out the Malibu. I know. Man, that was a nice move down. This whole grind right here. And then literally we hit like 19,800, which honestly, like you should take a shot at when you start hitting round numbers, even if it's a small shot, percentage wise, you're probably going to make money if you take a shot at the whole numbers. I'll take a look. You're using those Renko charts, right? By the way, Kellyanne, I got an awesome Apex video for you because I know how much you love Apex. I got an Apex video coming for you after I'll drop it probably like 7, 8 o'clock tonight. And it's almost for you. And you know, it happened to me. I contacted Apex and basically they don't give a shit because I signed you signed the agreement that says they're not responsible. So whatever happens, happens. Do you see? No, I honestly, so any videos I mostly watch are about indicators and strategies because honestly, at the end of the day, that's all I'm not going to be able to do anything. You know, I talk on the stream about, you know, how to save money and what accounts you can get and what happens to me and what happens to other people. But I save my other time watching videos to kind of learn to be a better trader. So I kind of follow the indicator and strategy videos more than videos about, you know, other people. Although my friend sent me a video that you made about Nutty Bar, and it was kind of funny. So I watched it. I think I watched it last night for a little bit. The Nutty Bar video, I want to say it was a week ago, 2 weeks ago you made it, maybe even longer. But yeah, it was worth watching. So yeah, you know what it is? It's just so much going on here. Is a PA account you still trading with fake money? So PA accounts are accounts that I pass evals on, and then they're all funded accounts. And once you get to 52,600, I pull out $2,000. So I have Apex is sending me $4,000, and currently I have another one that's over 52,600. So I'm going to request another $2,000 from them on the 1st because that's the window. The window is the 1st to the 5th. You made a Nutty Bar GIF on Tenor. Oh, geez. I'm going to have to look for that. I mean, I have no problem with any of the people online, but there's a lot that you can put into a Nutty Bar GIF that I will put out there. You know, I can only imagine. But yeah, technically Venus trading, technically they're all fake money accounts until you hit a certain level, and then they make you go live, and then they give you, I believe, one live account is what you get, and then you're trading in the real market at that point. But until then, they'll pay you out. So it's real money. It's just not actually going through the market. It's all sim. Yeah, he seemed like good. I saw he sent you $100 for, I saw that he sent the $100 on the video messages. Yeah, I mean, it's funny though, out of like streamers that I would watch, what time is the best time to trade? It's up to your style, man. It's up to your style. Like I don't trade the first 15 minutes of the market, but some people love the first 15 minutes and make a ton of money. I would say I would say you should be trading very small and journal where you make money and where you don't make money, and then kind of follow that. The last 10 minutes of the market can be really crazy, same with the first 15. Yeah, I mean, hey, you got to pay up. You got to pay up, you know? Yeah, if we get up to 50, I could see that. I usually go for these 34 rejections, which is this green line. Um, it wouldn't surprise me if we overshot to 50 because, you know, just the 50 resistance. Did you start getting paid with Fast Track yet there, Kellyanne? I saw you you had an account there recently. I saw you talking about it today, I think. Yeah, I agree. 9:45 to 11:45 is good. You know, now is not terrible. You know, you don't want to go during high volatility times. High volatility times could absolutely crush you because it will move up one way or another fast, and it doesn't always respect support and resistance like it does during the day. You're back, Joe. What's up? Joe, what are you trading today? There's so many of these firms out there. I honestly believe over the next year, 6 months to a year, they're all going to start having options of no evals straight to funded. That's my thing. I Joe, do you see Inman's video? Oh, so I guess Kellyanne, you know Joe. I assume if you're brand new, Vexus, I would take notes on why you're getting into trades, um, and things like that, and kind of journal. I know it sounds crazy, but like you gotta really like find your own path of first I would use TradingView and then I'd find indicators that you like by searching and watching YouTube videos and Googling stuff. Like it's all free. You don't need to pay for anything. You can ask here. You can, you know, feel free to ask me. I explain my setups. You know, there's enough free information out there that you can be profitable without paying like $5,000 for a trading course or something like that. Just trying to save the newbies money. And if you're trading prop firms, just get the cheapest firm because you're probably not getting paid out. That's the best way I could put it. If you're brand new, your first 5 accounts, you're not getting paid. So just figure you're gonna blow 5 accounts. Just go use freaking anybody that's cheap. That's my advice. If you're new, you should be trading on a naked chart. Have you? I'm just curious because you talk price action. Have you tried that strat method, Kellyanne? And also, anybody that's on right now, I'm going to be doing an account giveaway next week. Not next week. Sorry, I don't even know why I said that. Tomorrow afternoon during this stream, I'll probably stream around 1:30. We're going to do an account giveaway, and I haven't determined what the account's going to be, but it's most likely going to be it will probably be a Top Step or Apex account, depending on who wins, obviously, because some people will not accept an Apex account in here. So I will be willing to do a Top Step account for people. So it's up to you, really. But yeah, account giveaway tomorrow on the stream, 1:30. Once you switch to a PA account, is there a limit to the amount of trades you could take? So, no. Some of them have a 50 trade limit, I've seen. But if you're not using a bot, because a bot would trade like a lot, they're not going to limit you to how many trades you can do. They limit you to how many contracts. Captain Price, what's up? Okay, 100K accounts Top Step should be on sale too. Yeah, so I saw that they were talking about going on sale tomorrow, right, Captain? Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, I will probably get one, but I'm going to do the giveaway, and if they're on sale, I'll give away a 100K account tomorrow on the stream. I got to figure out what game we're going to play for the giveaway. Either we're going to do the wheel or we'll do a duck race. Whatever doesn't completely slow down my computer when I run it. But yeah, I got some cool custom name pickers. They do the the claws and whatnot. All fun and games for everybody. This kind of looks bear flaggy, just throwing it out there to looks very bear flaggy, and then maybe roll over. Top Step, you know what's crazy is Top Step has another deal. They've gone months without having a deal, and now this is going to be the third deal that they've had in like the last 6 weeks, which I find to be interesting because they weren't into any deals for a while. Man, I got this Bull Knox one. I need to just get this over by $200. Hi, what's going on, Winnie? Bless for life. Hi, do you trade every day, and what is the best prop firm would you recommend? All right, how about this, Winnie? How long have you ever traded with a prop firm before, or have you traded ever, or are you brand new? And that will give me the direction that I would say to go into. How's that? Let's start there. Okay, how long have you been trading with Apex for? I would suggest if you are getting payouts, like if you've been funded and you're receiving payouts, Top Step is great. Take Profit Trader is great. And the reason I say them, if you're getting payouts, is Top Step, you can get paid with 5 days of $200, and Take Profit Trader, you can get paid on day one. But if you are not getting payouts, then I would stick with a lower cost prop firm that you can keep basically practicing on, because that's currently kind of what you're doing, is you're kind of testing out your strategy still, and you're still kind of working the bugs out of what you got going on. So I would say Bull Knox is great. Bull Knox is running 90% off currently, and that could really help you out. I'm scared about Apex. Too much negativity there. Yeah, so if you want to stay away from Apex, Bullnox is great. Yeah, right here. So this is Take Profit Trader right here. I started today. Today was my first day with Take Profit Trader. Welcome to the channel, Aride, by the way. Yeah, so if you're too scared with them, you know, the three that I would use is Bullnox, Take Profit Trader, and Top Step. Those are the three ones that I use, and that's kind of where I would stay at. What are welcome DBT? What are the Bullnox rules? The rules are pretty much like Apex rules, except there's a 40% consistency rule once you're funded. And by the way, Bullnox only allows Rhythmic accounts, guys. So if you are looking for a, let me see if we hit the bottom here. If you are looking for a Tradeovate account, you know, Bullnox isn't the place. Yeah, you can DCA, you can do anything. There's no, the trailing drawdown on Bullnox is just like Apex. It's $2,500 on a 50K account. It's literally the same rules as Apex. It's almost how Apex should be, to be honest with you. Let's be real. There should be like a 40%, 50% consistency rule, just like Bullnox has. And then I just got freaking smoked out on that. Are you kidding? I thought it was definitely going to hold the 800 level. Watch, it holds, it comes back up. Yes, I traded options before this, and I still trade options. Options will forever be my favorite thing that I trade. I like options more than anything else. Basically, Bullnox is like you can DCA, you can do whatever you want. Literally, you can do anything you want. Just make the money. That's all it is you just got to make money trading. There's no whatever. And this came all the way back up. That's freaking crazy. Yeah. The problem with Bullnox is they don't do they have no, what do you call it? Tradeovate. So like you know, newer people can't just jump on and be trading like that. You have to use Rhythmic Trader Pro, or you got to use Quant Tower or something like that. Why Vexes, do you trade options? Is that are you an options trader? But yeah, I need to find something, to be honest with you. I'm starting to get, there's too many accounts. I need to start copy trading. As you see, I'm like flipping back and forth. Now I'm flipping back and forth between Top Step, Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Bullnox. I got Rhythmic Trader Pro on this computer that I'm on. I have Rhythmic Trader Pro on my freaking laptop. I'm doing way too many things at this moment. So I got to consolidate and kind of copy trade on, I'm not getting that. I was probably going to use Quant Tower. Everybody says Quant Tower, so I'm probably going to go Quant Tower. I think Quant Tower, you could pay like $70 monthly. Let me just see. I'm on the Quant. Yeah, so $70 monthly. If I pay for 6 months, it's 20% off. And then they have annually 30% off, and then lifetime. I basically got to be using them for 3 years. It's $1,600. I'm probably not going to do lifetime. I'm on it for the FTT account. The order part is not great in my opinion. What the order part on Quant Tower? This came all the way back like I thought I just had a freaking hold. Unbelievable. Let's see if I can scalp right here for just a tad, just a little bit. Lifetime is the cheapest. Yo, I got to use that for 3 years to get my money's worth. I think I'm going to pay him for 1 month and see how the month. No, I'm just curious. Why do you need a Bullnox Discord? That's a serious question to be real with you. I was just kind of wondering why is that for like support? Like you want to be able to contact them on Bullnox for support on Discord, or do you just want to hang out? All right, yeah. I Bullnox gets back to you in 20 minutes on their regular support tickets. I accidentally did something. I accidentally bought an account on Friday without using a coupon code, and I hit them up and said, "Here's the coupon code that I wanted to use for 90% off," and they fixed it all in real quick. Can you reset PA accounts? No, you got to start all over. You blow up a PA account, you got to start all over. My suggestion is when these firms run discounts, you should really you should take advantage of them. That's the best time to load up an account. So like I'll get a lot of accounts, and then if there's no deals for a while, you'll kind of see the accounts as you lose them. I don't add them until deals come back. That's pretty much how I go. Bullnox's support is good. I think 90% off now. Yes, it is 90% off. Let me see. Oh. Oh no! Hey, Kellyanne, they got rid of 90% off. At least I don't have 90% off coupon in my back end anymore. Here's an 83% off coupon. I don't have 90% off. The only other, yeah, geez. I wonder if they just took off 90% off. I used it on Friday. Yeah. Well, how's this, Kellyanne? I made $2.63 as an affiliate with Bullnox. Yeah, I mean, listen, you got to use a coupon code because you don't want to pay full price. You definitely don't want to pay full price with any prop firm. Yeah, it changed to 83. So listen, you can buy it at 83% or just wait a couple days and see if they come out with 90%. Last time they went down to 83, I think they were back up to 90 in like a week. I'll be honest with you, I try to take some of the money and give like free accounts. Like tomorrow we'll do a free account giveaway. Like that account's probably gonna be $50. So, some of the money you get, you just kind of, give back. Airboat Rob. Yeah, man, that's correct. 370 challenges. You are correct. You are eligible to add a code to my master spreadsheet, though. I will. I don't know if you could show me how in your Discord later on. I'll do it without a doubt. Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest. So here's the deal: most people don't realize. Um, so I just kind of screwed around probably for the first 50. Um, I'd say 50 challenge accounts. I was buying home heating oil, and at night with my friend, um, home heating oil, and we were buying crude oil, and I was just kind of gambling. And then probably from challenge 50 to 100, I was just kind of dicking around. I've never traded the SPY or Qs. I've always traded options. And then I started doing it. I started trading it a little bit on my E-Trade account before I got into prop firms, but I was kind of using futures a little bit different than you would. I was kind of using it as a hedge against my options accounts. Or what I was doing is, say I woke up and we were down like 0.75%, and I thought we were around support, I would buy a futures contract at like 6:30 in the morning, and a lot of times by 9:30 we would have bounced and came back already. And I kind of played the futures like that for basically a 7 o'clock in the morning turnaround. But I'm at the point I'm requesting money, so I'm probably going to request another $4,000 on the first. So I am getting paid back by Apex. That I will tell you. So yeah, I definitely. And then when Apex ran the deal where the accounts were $18, I definitely bought a lot and definitely was like just going all in on 50K accounts, just smoking them. I've done a lot of stupid stuff, so you can just learn through me, and so you don't have to lose money. But welcome to the stream, Airboat Rob. I'm guessing Airboat Rob is from Florida, if I had to guess. I've been on those airboats in the Everglades. That's why I say that. Yeah, you're never getting. Don't worry, I'll get the money from them for you. I'm gonna just keep draining them until my accounts are all gone. I didn't want to buy any more evals, and I forgot to cancel my eval subscription, and they rebilled me on Saturday, and that's why I have these other evals. I was done buying evals because I have a ton I have like 15 or 16 funded accounts that I don't want to trade evals anymore. And the evals I get, I wanted to trade Take Profit Trader and Top Step. And it just didn't work that way. So they hit me with some rebills. So now I'm stuck with them. Not only am I stuck with them, but oh wow, I'm $40 away from going over. Yeah, but after you already paid for them, right? I can't cancel and get my money back. Actually, I didn't even realize that. This is $40 away from going over. I got 251 in there. By the way, this is all today. Look at this. That's today. Up $4 today. I crushed it today in a lot of accounts. I made $8 in here today. 85 is lifetime. Yeah. That wasn't what I was charged, though. I was charged like $35 resets. 35 bucks, and then they gave me all these accounts. Like each one was 35 bucks. And then I had all these challenge accounts. But if I pass, Oh, when I become funded, yeah, the $85 would be lifetime. Only on the 150, 250, and 300. 50Ks are still 105 a month or 165 lifetime. I'm trying to pass this for the stream right now. Let's see if I can pass, get this over. Ooh, they almost took me out. Push it, baby. Well, no. What up, Peter's chat? What up? Trying to get this account over into funded land. Yeah, well, they said they were paying me my money, so let's see what happens. You know? I can't see them not paying me, to be honest with you. Oh, I'm so close to just going over. Just pass another 250 to get, wow. Jeez, that's a good day. Joe, his philosophy and what made me sub is that the creator isn't responding to you in chat, then run. So he's about helping people. Yep. I try to respond to everybody. Sometimes I even scroll up in the chat to respond to everybody. And yeah, I'm here. I'm so close to getting this freaking account over. I could taste it, and I just lost $200 on it for nothing. But yeah, futures trade with Kellyanne. I know hundreds of people who have paid. Yeah. Listen, I don't have an issue with anybody as long as I get paid. Once I don't get paid, I have an issue. That I could say. I honestly like Bullnox rules the best. I mean, Bullnox is probably my favorite one. Bullnox is the only problem with Bullnox, like I said, is they're not on TraderBait or anything like that. You know, my biggest thing is I don't want to see new people paying for fuck me, man. This account is so close to going over. Airboat Rob, close. 1.5 miles in Alabama. I trade with Apex as well. I have 20 PA 50K accounts. Congrats, man. Try to trade like Stoic traders. He has helped me a lot. What does Stoic trader use that sets him apart? Like what is his thing? Yeah, I mean, there's definitely. So here's my whole thing with Apex and what I think really happened is I think they ran those deals. I think a lot of people got funded. And then I think a lot of people were requesting payouts. And maybe they didn't have the cash on hand or the cash flow kind of got tight. And, they had to go a payout period with cutting down the payouts a little bit. So they kind of enforced the rules more. They stopped all the payouts. And then once cash flow came back, they kind of opened it up again. That's kind of what it seemed like happened. Is it right? Not really, but it just kind of feels like it is what it is, and that's what happened. I'm not in with them. From somebody that owns a business, it kind of feels like they were cash flow strapped and then decided to enforce rules that have always been there. But you can't all of a sudden enforce something that you haven't been enforcing. So that was my thoughts. Yeah, no, I mean, that would have been my thoughts. Um, I'm not saying that's what happens. I'm not, I have a ton of Apex accounts. You could see on the screen. I'm just, that would have been my guess. And I only say that because they ran the 90% deal. So you got to think a lot of people were buying those accounts. Yeah, that's yeah, but it is what it is. What's crazy is they have the most people that are trading. I could probably tell you that their marketing is on key, and you know, it is what it is. But I also thought it was weird that the guy made the videos. Some of the things in the videos. Top Step is interesting because Top Step has their own YouTube channel, and I personally can't watch it because it was kind of boring to me. But can we break this little flag here to the upside? That's kind of what I've been looking for. Is an upside break of this flag. You got to watch Inman. I'll look at Inman after and see what the deal is. Um, Come on, pop this thing. I'll take a look later on. I've never really known about this side of the prop firm niche or industry. And I will say, like, these guys have to be making a ton of money. It's so ridiculous to me on how much money these guys have to be making. That's interesting to me. And it's interesting that um, you trade a sim account, like the whole thing with like the sim, it's very interesting to me, the whole industry. Um, Essentially you're trading the markets without trading the markets. Um, they're paying the affiliates $1 million each. Kellyanne, listen, I'm just going to tell you straight up. If Apex calls me up and says, "Hey, I need your bank account. I'm sending you $1 million," man, I'm sending them my bank account without a doubt. They'll have my bank account. I won't even let the guy off the phone, and I'll give him everything, and I'll just say whatever. All right, see you later, Airboat Rob. I'm gonna look up Stoic Trader after hours and see what he's up to. Um, he only has 5 videos: supply and demand, and an M1 chart with an entry pattern. Yeah, hey, I'm open to seeing what everybody does. Actually, it's pretty interesting how everyone trades. I think we're really forming a bottom here. Come on, turn this around right here. Well, I didn't get that 34 bounce. I mean, when you put it like that, I mean, yeah, I get it. Then they can just Patrick Weiland came out and said how much money he makes one day. I was listening to his stream like a month or two ago, and he came out and just freaking said it out loud that he was making. He probably deleted the stream, but he was saying that he was making like $2 million a year from the YouTube, not trading, just from YouTube. NQ is better. Welcome to the stream, Kinja, or welcome back, I should say. I use 34. So the green one's the 34. This is the 9, and this is the 105, which is the 21 on the 5. And then this is the 200. Yeah, so he came out and said it one day, flat out, to everybody. So, yeah, it was on one of his streams. So I watched a guy that did that in their video. They did the 105, which becomes the 21 on the 5-minute 21. And it was really interesting. And I was like, man, that's a good way to put it, is like put other moving averages from other time references, from other time frames on your 1-minute chart. You just got to do the math, and then you can start applying it. So I'll take, like, if I was going to do a rejection, I'll just put it like right there. They just freaking topped this thing. This thing looked like it was going to really bounce. Yeah, that's, I just play off the bounce. I don't do anything crazy. You know, I play super simple for the most part. It's very, I haven't taken the last full all-in trade I took was right here. So I play these pivot points, and this morning I played this one right here. And you could see we literally came down, we hit it, and bounced right back, and I got a lot of money. That's how I made a lot of the money in all the different accounts today. Yeah, I agree. That's the I mean, that's pretty much what this is. It's the 9. I just kind of keep that as a trend. Round numbers works a lot. Like right here, we're at 800. The problem is we've been at 800 a lot, so it's definitely, you know, seems like it's pushing through. You know, I like first touches on things, like the first time you come up and touch it, because the more times you hit something, the more likely you're going to start going through it. I have not had good luck with Take Profit Trader so far with this account. I feel like every time I get in, I get hit. All right. Let me see what we can do here. I want to push this account over today. I want to turn this into a funded account. What am I going to do? What degen trade can I do real quick to get a couple $100? I need like the 8 ball where I can like shake it. For whatever reason, every time I try it, every time I try the Take Profit Trader, I want it. I really want Take Profit Trader to work for me. I like the payment. They have the best payment. I mean, you get paid on day 1. It's just, and that's kind of why I tell new people, if you're brand new, don't use Take Profit Trader. I tell them to use Bullnox or Apex, to be honest with you, because it's less expensive. Dude, everyone's saying, hey, Joe, I got to ask. The people that are saying to go to 150 are, if they have an affiliate code, that's why they're telling you to go to 150. I'm just being honest with you. You just play smaller, play one contract, play 5 micros. If you can't pass the 50, you're not going to pass the 150. And if somebody has a coupon code and is pushing you at 150, it's because they get paid more on the 150. I have a coupon code. You could see it scrolling at the bottom of my screen. The coupon code. I'm telling you to not pay more money. Save your money. It's not. They're super expensive accounts. Yo, I'll see you later, Kelly. Yeah, so listen, you should pass. Once you're passing other accounts, whether it be Bullnox, Top Step, so here's even a better one, Joe. Have you tried Top Step yet? And the reason why I asked you if you tried Top Step has the same rules as Take Profit Trader, but if you hit the daily loss limit, you don't lose the account. They basically just stop you for the day, and then you can start back up again. Yes, Joe. Take Profit Trader is 102 for all in the funding. I traded you. Yeah, I would trade micros, man. Micros is probably a better way to go about it on that account. If you're going to choose between Take Profit Trader and Top Step, Top Step is the same rules and it's half the amount of money. So I would go Top Step. If you've never taken a payout before, Joe, I would do Apex, Bullnox, or maybe Top Step. Oh yeah. How many minis were you buying? Man, this thing's looking bad. If you're trading a 50 account, you should be doing 1 to 2 minis on like an Apex Bullnox setup. If you're in Take Profit Trader or Top Step, you should be going 1 mini or doing micros. Honestly, I've been going down to 1. Yeah. Just want to welcome new people to the stream. I see there's a bunch of new people today. What's going on? Feel free to comment in the stream so I see who you are. Ask any questions you want. We're here to help you. So, I'm trading, but if you have questions, I can definitely help you out without a doubt. So I shot myself a few times in the foot. Joe, I've shot myself so many times, I have no feet left. I can tell you that right now. I can just tell you that right now. I've destroyed accounts. Destroyed. All right, so one of two things is going to happen here. We're either going to hold this. If we don't hold 86, oh man, this thing's going to freaking dump. This is a low percentage trade, guys. This is why I'm doing it in one eval account, because it's a low percentage trade. This is I'm tired of this account. I want to get it over trade. And if we hold right here, I think we can bounce back up to like '09, and I could probably push it over. Other than that, don't take this trade. That's my disclaimer. Micros are enough. Yo, you could trade 5 micros and make good money. Five micros will do the job. Some people, I used to trade micros and basically like swing it. So like if I was short like here, I would still be holding because I think it's going to continue to go down, and I would just keep riding the. I would just hold on to the position. That's what's good about micros. Micros allows you to trade a little bit differently, where you can hold and not really worry, and that's pretty cool. I don't know how your style of trading is. But I think Kellyanne was holding micros for like an hour or two and just kind of riding the position, which you could definitely do. Come on, push this bad boy up already. Oh, they're going to hose me, aren't they? I feel the hosing coming. I'll be real, this looks like it's going to roll over pretty hard. This looks like this doesn't look great. I actually just stumbled across DCA or adding to losers when Apex banned it. So there's a couple things you could do, Joe. I used to leg into position. So I would create a zone with micros. So argument's sake, say I wanted to buy up here for a short, or here, watch. Say I wanted to buy on this dip. I used to put my orders like this, and then I would get filled on the way down. But ever since they changed their thing, now I only set up 2. So I leg into almost every position I get into, I leg into. Oh, we're gonna play this game right here. So this is the VWAP band. This is a derivative of VWAP, and usually that kind of shows that you're kind of oversold on the one way or the other. But you can keep dropping. That I can tell you. I actually DCA is pretty good, but what was happening was people weren't just DCAing; they were like buying one, and then it would go down a little bit, and then they would add more, and then they would add more, and they would add more, and then it would bounce, and then they would make money. And Apex saw that and kind of got rid of it. Or people would basically keep going in until they were all in. This is for funded accounts only. All in, and then they would come back, and then they would make money, and then request payouts. And then, and you could see everybody that didn't get paid was DCAing. Oh, this is going to drop. We're out of here. This is not looking good. Either I just got fooled or this thing's about to drop it like it's hot. Yeah, if you overdo it, yeah. I was so focused on trying to get this account over that I just feel like well, here it is. Here's the bottom. We break below here. I feel like we could oh, look at that. Look at that. Come on. What's crazy is I am $25 away in my Bullnox account to go over. How did I end up $25 away? This looks like we're approaching the bottom though. Basically, they're not letting it just rip down. Did I get in the drop? Yeah, I went short here, made back some of my losses, and then let me see if I can bring this up. Here is my Bullnox accounts. So this is the P&Ls on the day. These are all evals. I'm trying to work on getting funded accounts again. I lost my funded account with Bullnox. So I'm trying to get some of these over. Oh, I hold on one sec. I got 50 in there also. Hold on. It's filtered. I have more of these accounts, but oh, here you go. 50, 51, 50. Yeah. So there you go. Those are all my accounts. So this one right here is $25 away. I'm almost funded. I made the biggest mistake you can do. I left an order in on this account right here, and see how I'm almost funded, but this account is smoked because it went so far up and came back down and hit the drawdown. So I ended up losing it. It's crazy how that works. If you leave an order in and you make so much money, but it comes back down for that drawdown, you can still lose the account, and still I'm $25 away from doing it. They're gonna drop it one last time here. Oh, I'm trying to get my last $25. To me, we're kind of washed out to the downside. No, it's away from going funded on Bullnox. $25 away from getting funded. Oh man. Oh, I got it over. I got it over here. I'll show you. I got it over. I just went short and got it over. So which one is it? Here you go. This one right here, I just got over. Account balance $53,040. Got the Bullnox one over. That will become a funded account in. So technically, you have to trade 5 days, but they don't care how you trade for the 5 days. So I think I have like 1 or 2 more days left. So I'll just kind of like do some small trades, and that's it. Man, this is just weak looking. $7.34. We haven't even gotten a sell signal on the 5-minute zero lag yet, which is interesting to me. Usually this would have flashed a sell signal, being that we've been drifting down so much, but it hasn't even flashed it yet. My pass rate with these 50K accounts are like almost 50%. I pass them really well. And as long as I'm like not going to bounce, thanks for streaming. Yeah, man. I'll see you tomorrow, Joe. See you later. Thanks, man. Yeah. Hopefully, I'll submit the form this week and get it over to be a funded account. Woo! Got another hour and a half here. Hopefully we could hopefully we can get a little bit more action here. It's very like grindy right at the moment. If you look, it's not like a big moves. It's just you grinding lower and lower. Run your cut. Hey man, I talk about it. That was a low percentage trade, to be honest with you. That was a low percentage trade. I don't. I try not to get anybody in on a low percentage trade. This, I have a feeling, might come up a little bit and then they'll just roll it back over. Especially that the 34 is sitting at right about 19. I'm going to take a one here, and I got another one, and then my stop will be up here. I want to see if they roll it over. This is another low percentage trade. This isn't a funded trade, but I like the fact that stochastics have come up so much, and we really haven't pushed. And now we're going to be approaching 19,800, which should be resistance along with the 34. So we might be able to see a nice rejection here. How many days do you have to trade for an Apex to fund you? You can get funded today. 1 day. Basically, you can get an account right now, and you get it over. Apex will fund. So this account right here is from today. Look, my profit and loss today is $2,500. And if I get it over, they'll fund me, and this will be a funded account tomorrow. Woo! That was a good move right there, guys. Right there. That was a money move. Yeah. So basically, we get this account over. Kinja, are you trading Apex currently? Is that the account you're in? Yeah, so you're in Apex. All right. So what'd you go with? Did you go with the 50Ks? Did you go with the 150s, the 250s? What are you going with currently? I definitely feel like the 50s are the best pass rate, but they are running the deal with the 150s, 250s, and 300s for the one-time fee. Yeah, if I was new, I would be trading 50s also. Um, where are you at? Like, are you still trying to figure it out? I guess. Wow, that was nice rejection. We talked about 20, almost 20 points. Wish I held longer. What did I get off that, anyways? Not nearly as $90. Jeez. Um, yeah, I suggest going with 50s. The 150 is interesting. My ticks is usually 10 to 12 points. Oh, what up? MK is back. What up? What up? So 10 to 12 points is where my stop is at normally. I don't know if you were just watching or you just came on, but I bought one here, and then I had another one up here. I had one up here, and then what I did was here. So I bought, and then I would have basically DCA'd in, and then I had a 10-point stop. But that one came down, got $90, and I took my profits. What's up, Kid Poker? What's going on, man? How's your day going? You guys, oh, Toxic Sage is here as well. Did I pass? Yeah, so I literally just passed a Bullnox eval 10 minutes ago. I got this eval. So this is what happened today. I accidentally got rebuild for evals over the weekend with Apex. I didn't want them. I accidentally got, I forgot to cancel them. I got rebuild. So I got these evals. So this eval is up $2,600 today. I'm 400 away from passing. This eval I started today is up almost $4,000. This eval they gave me is up $1,400 today. This eval I did is up $8,100, and those are up. And then this eval is up $1,000, and those are all my evals that they gave me. They accidentally rebuild, so now I'll just push them. I'll push them over. This funded account's up a little bit. This one's up a little bit. This one's up 300. This one's up 200. That one didn't get traded in yet. 67. This one's up 325, and this PA is up 340. So as you can see, I'm up pretty good today. And then I got a Bullnox account over for funded today. I also pushed, so I have a laptop right here. I pushed a funded account. I'm about $400 away from requesting another $2,000 payout. No, I have to start copy trading. I'm going to probably do Quant Tower and copy trade across accounts and stuff like that. I think I'm going to mix it back up and go back to the OG style right there. I got to start copy trading because if you watch me, I'm flipping back and forth through all these accounts, and it's becoming a lot. So I just kind of am going to, I'm kind of going to copy trade, but you know, right now we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. Like, we're just grinding here. It's not really my style of playing. By the way, Top Step, for everybody that's on Top Step, I think is going to be running a deal tomorrow on the 100K accounts that they have. you can click the link in my description, or you can go to their website, and it will be a deal on 100K accounts, I believe. Okay, that's not terrible though. That's not terrible. I mean, I was just, this account was $50 away from passing, and then it went as low as 52,300. I lost $700. So it is what it is. I look at evals like this. An eval is either passed or it's not passed, because you could be $25 away and still not pass it. You know, it doesn't matter how close you are, you can still fail an eval. And then I've had evals that were down to like 48,000 and then ended up passing them because I took a ripper, because I was like, either this account's going to go or not. And I go in like 5 contracts, and then the thing just goes, and I make, you know, $4,000 on a trade, and then we're in the money. Yeah, literally, I was $25 away from passing this account, and now I'm not. Toxic Sage, are you? Did you pass any today? I really want to pass this Take Profit Trader account right here. I'm just having trouble every time I take a trade in Take Profit Trader. It doesn't go my way, so I'm just kind of. It's kind of a crappy feeling, to be honest with you. But I want to pass Take Profit Trader because I can get paid on day 1, and that's what I recommend. I always tell people, like, if you're, oh, well, that's a turnaround. That's definitely a turnaround. Dude, I'm trading. I start trading. I trade 9:45. I like to make my first trade is between 9:45 and 10 in the morning. I try not to trade the open, but went up 6K in my Apex 250 eval and went from 49,200 to. You're having a good day right there. That's solid. That's solid right there. I had a really good setup this morning. I played my pivot point bounce right here, was like the best entry you could get, and that enabled me to make a lot of money in all the accounts I showed you. Next pivot point I have is at 732. Top Step's another one I can't get going, really. Like, I'm up today, I just can't get it going. Yeah, I locked myself out of my Top Step account to stop me from fucking myself, since I want to get funded. Since I never got funded. Yeah, I can't. I would like to get funded in Top Step because they have the thing where it's 5 days of $200 and you can get funded. You could pull money out. 5 days, $200, you get funded. But I can't get the account going. Like I'm up, but I can't get on a roll. I don't know what it is, but I just can't get going. St. Patrick's. Oh man, hold on. I gotta switch to the feed to see. Doesn't show. Oh, St. Patrick Trades. I had to bring up YouTube and look in the YouTube chat. Top Step's nice, man. Easy payments, and they show up fast. Yeah, I'm pushing the Top Step. Tomorrow, Top Step has a deal on the 100K accounts. If you guys weren't aware of it, I saw it in an email. So take a look. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do as well. Trying to get funded and then trying to get my first payout from Top Step. I think trying to get payouts is hard. It's like, can't gamble. Payouts are hard enough. paid out in Apex, and I'm going to request another payout in Apex on the 1st. But even though I'm getting Apex payouts, I want to get funded in Top Step. I like that there's no payout window. I like that it's a, you just need a couple of days of $200, and then you can just keep kind of withdrawing the money. Same thing with Top Step. You get paid day one and just keep it rolling. So that's why I like Top Step also. Yeah, I mean, Top Step is, if you can get payouts, I feel like Top Step is the #1 platform, because you can get paid every single day that you trade. No questions about it. It just will keep coming day after day as long as you keep making money. The problem is, obviously, it's expensive to get into. They're running the 40% off coupon now, 40% off plus no activation fee on Top Step. But if you're not getting the payouts, it's kind of hard because it's expensive. So I tell people you should probably try Bullnox or Apex, work up a less expensive account, get funded, and then once you get money from them, then you can use it for like a Take Profit Trader account. But Top Step is pretty legit because I like that the daily loss limit gets hit. They stop you for the day and you don't lose your account. Take Profit, I like Take Profit because you can get paid every single day. But the issue is the cost. You basically pay for, you're paying to be able to take your money out every day. And Take Profit is 40% off currently. You got to use the coupon code, and they'll give you 40% off. It's scrolling on the bottom of the screen on the video. I heard Trade Day was good. Trade Day, I've never used them before, and I'll be honest with you, if I don't use it, I kind of don't. Yeah, no, I'm with you. I'm with you 1,000%. That's why I kind of tell people to try Apex and some of the other ones. It's hard for me to tell people to use an account that I don't currently use. So that's why I haven't talked about Trade Day. I have no personal experience with Trade Day. I can only talk, I'm not against them. I've looked at them. It looks legit. It definitely looks legit. I know people that have used it in the past, but the ones I use are basically Take Profit Trader, Top Step, and Apex. Apex, I requested money. It's coming. I'm requesting more money. I haven't been funded by Top Step or Take Profit Trader yet, so I can't say I've been paid by them, but I will say they've been around long enough and they're big enough that Top Step and Take Profit Trader, you're pretty much guaranteed to get your money. And Apex told me I was getting my money. Everything was approved. And I know people have been paid, so I can't say that they're not going to pay me either. Oof. Price action is kind of weird. That's wild. It finally flashed a down signal on this candle and then came back with an up right here. I want to learn more about this indicator. It's on my list of things to do. A lot of people like this indicator. It's the WADA something. Oh, geez. I forget what it's called. WADA something. People love it. I used to run the WADA. So it's visually, it looks great. I know that there's something with the line and there's something going on. I don't really know. I thought, is it the Waka Flocka Flames? That's keep on what I think about is Waka Flocka Flames. Uh, yeah, I want to start using it more. I just haven't, but this is looking pretty good to the upside here. Might get just a squeeze all the way back up to 830. All right, let's push this over right here. Stop is right here. So it's basically a MACD histogram on Bollinger Bands. When the MACD breaks its bands, it's showing high explosiveness. Yeah, I mean that's. Oh, so when these bars spike above the line, it's just showing you that you're getting move up, which obviously you could see already. All right, we're going to get this over today. I need $250 more to get this account over. You know what time it is, guys? I like to call this Celsius time. It's the time where I go get my freaking energy drink because I'm dying over here. I am I'm running to my fridge to go get an energy drink. Hold on. I'll be back in literally 2 seconds. I'm back. I'm back. My Celsius, none were in the fridge. Came back to tell you that you called it. Woo! Oh, what did I call? Joe, hold on. What did I call, Joe? I got so much going on. I'm wondering what it was. Sorry, I went to the fridge. Oh yeah, I went to the fridge to go get my Celsius, and all I had was warm ones, so I got to throw one in the freezer real quick. The worst is when I throw it in the freezer real quick and I forget, and then they explode in my freezer. I think I kind of feel like we've seen the bottom for today. Just kind of seems that way, you know. Especially if we get over this 800. I would like to see a little consolidation here. I'd like to see them bring it back down to like 793. I'll grab contracts and then push it back up. I just want a couple more, just a little bit more consolidation here. Also, if we consolidate a little bit more, the stochastics will work itself off a little bit, and then we'll be able to come up a little bit more. I know I'm asking for a lot here, but that would be the ultimate. That'd be the ultimate for me. Come on, work it down a little bit. I hope you guys, anybody that's on, first of all, welcome to all the new people that are on the stream right now. I see that there's 24 people on the stream. I want to say welcome. Um, if you guys have any questions, feel free to put it in the chat. I will answer any questions you have. If you want to see something on my screen, like my trading view setup or explain any indicators, I'm here to show you. Without a doubt, I can talk about that. I can talk about the different prop firms, what I like, what, you know, if you have questions about the prop firms. If you want to talk options, I trade options. I actually love trading options. Options is like, I love options. Yeah, I mean, I'm anything to do with trading or whatever. I'm here to help you. Here to help you. Couple deals that are being run this week. Apex has that 80% off deal, and then they got what do they have? They have 80% off, and then they have $85 one-time fee if you pass a 150, 250, or 300. It's a one-time $85 fee. That's what they're running. Take Profit Trader is running 40% off, no activation fee. Bullnox is running 83% off. If you're a new trader, Bullnox is amazing, by the way. Bullnox accounts are the cheapest accounts. Their consistency rule is 40%. And the problem is if you have a Mac, it won't work unless you can figure out the workaround, because all they have is Rhythmic accounts. That's the bull flag right there, Kid Poker I was talking about. I was too busy talking on this chat to get in. That looked really good. It came back down and then popped. That was really freaking nice. That was really nice. But yeah, Bullnox is 83% off. And I think that's, and Top Step is running a deal tomorrow for 100K accounts. I don't know what the deal is going to be. I will buy one and I will let everybody know what the deal is. They don't, yeah. Wow, that's really freaking pushing now. Jeez. Oh, baby. That's pushing. If the deal is good, I'll get myself another one for Top Step eval as well, since they don't have shitty regulations and ease payout rules. No, I'm with you. Depending on, so the only thing I don't like that Top Step does is when they do the deals, they keep it so you can only use it like 5 or 10 times for the deals. You're not a habitual freaking account buyer like myself. But I bought, when they had the $19 deal, I bought all 10, I think. My problem is when I pay a little bit of money for the accounts, I tend to I tend to not care as much if that sounds so bad. But the more I pay, the more I care. I know it sounds crazy, but that's the way. That is the way. Man, my Celsius drink. I can't wait to just drink that thing. The deal is I'll be honest with you, the deal, I'm going to look right now what I think the deal is going to be. What is it? Top Step? Top Step deal, I bet you, is going to be, they're going to do it on the 100K account. So the 100K is regularly $99. I bet you they do $49 for the 100K. I bet you the 100K becomes the same price as the 50K. That's going to be my guess. Now, Toxic. Oh, I believe it. I didn't give a shit about destroying 3 PAs, even though I paid 110 for 3. But since I paid 49 for Top Step, I'm going slow. What'd you get activated on Apex? I'm guessing. I'll be honest with you. That's the one thing I like about Take Profit Trader is there's no activation fee currently, but you gotta pass. So if I do the math, say I do the math. So if you take Top Step, you're gonna pay $49. Say you pass 1 in every 3, right? Yeah, I remember that. That's how I got all my PA accounts. So if you do the math and say you pass 1 in 3, Top Step is going to cost you $150 for evals, $150 for activation fee. So that's $300. If you buy 3 Take Profit Trader accounts, it's going to be about $300 and there's 0 activation fee. So if you pass 1 in 3, Take Profit Trader and Top Step are pretty much the same. Now, if it takes you 4, then the more it takes you past 3, Top Step is the way to go. And if you're passing 3 or less, Take Profit Trader is the way to go if you're comparing just those two together. Apex is great because you're paying $18 or $30. The issue that you run into is when you go paid, it's $105 a month. So every month they hit you, or it's $165 for one time. Yeah, but the drawdown is what makes me not want to go to Take Profit. Yeah, I'm with you. I'm only at Take Profit Trader to get paid on day 1. That's basically what they're known for. Getting paid on day 1 is very interesting to me to try to go for it. Also, I want to do it so I could say that I did it. Oh, baby. Is this going to come right? If this comes back up? No. I still think this goes higher. That's why I'm not really like looking for this short here. I could see this consolidating here and then popping to go towards VWAP. Oh, man. I haven't really taken too many trades. If we come down right here, this would be a great spot to purchase, actually, for my style. I would buy that in Just setting up my. That would be been a while since NQ had 3 red days in a row. Yeah, real long time. The market seems like it only goes up, to be honest with you. That's how it's kind of felt for a very long time. I'm just, yes, that's what we say. Market only goes up. It just feels that way. Just kind of saying how it feels. I love going short too, because I feel like you go slowly up, but when you go down, man, like they say, staircase up, elevator down. When you go down, whoo, baby, does it move quick. You know, those quick moves can make you a lot of money on the way down. Yeah, you can free fall down, but like going up, you're gonna keep staircasing up. When you drop, man, everyone just panic sells. You know, that's why I like the downside, because if you catch the right downside, you can really you can make a lot, a real lot. Oh, here we go. Am I going to get filled on some of these? Actually, you know what I need to do? Let's see if we can do this. Question is, can NQ get near even today? You mean like climb up almost a full percent up? Is that kind of what you mean? Like like almost 1% up from where we're at now? Hold on 1 second here. Sorry, I gotta bring something up. I had to just bring something up. I didn't know what window on my screen it was. Probably not. So you think we're getting a 129 point? Man, that'd be a big move, man. A big move in the last hour. I mean, listen, that'd be awesome. That'd be real awesome to get. I just don't see it. I don't know. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, I want to get this one over so bad. I don't. Oh no! Oh no! Oh shnikes! I accidentally bought 5 because. Oh no! Did that just happen? I accidentally bought 5 contracts. Oh, this is a busted ass trade. I'm out of this. Jeez. I didn't realize I was still set. My settings were for 5 contracts. Whatever. We're going for it right here. If it goes, oh, what's going on, Captain Price? You're back. The captain is back. I'd love to see it go parabolic. I love to see it fill me at the 34 right here and then go parabolic. The key word is it's gotta fill me first. I can't win without DCA a day like this. You can DCA on evals if you wanted to. They'll let you DCA on evals. You just can't DCA on funded accounts. Top Step or Take Profit Trader, you can DCA all day. Yo, Bullnox allows you to DCA. Bullnox allows it. I'm going to get my Celsius drink. It's been in the freezer. Yeah, there's a couple of them that you can. Woo! Let's see what we got today. We got mango passion fruit. Top Step allows scaling in. I love scaling in. I like that we're holding here, and stochastics are coming down. So we're probably gonna. I feel like we're gonna spin up here. As I just said, we're gonna do it. Look what just happened. That was a nice move, but I didn't get filled on really anything. I got filled in. Are we gonna reject right here on the 200? I'll risk one. Nice little scalp. Back to only needing 250 in that account. I just got to delete some of these. I have open orders, guys. I got open orders on. Well, it's power hour. If they can't fade, going to go over 41. Dude, that was a nice little setup right here for anyone that was following. The consolidation happened. You could see this was working down, and that was like prime to purchase. That was a great setup. I wish I played it in one funded account. I have on Rhythmic. I wish I grabbed more. Oh, you're playing fibs, Captain? Some fibs? Wow, this thing's going for it. Yeah, fibs and harmonics. Way it reversed was based on a pattern end and just faded up. And it fails to fade at least for now. Uh, I think I don't think we're going, this kind of seems like we're going up. It's making back a lot of the ground. I mean, it's passing. I didn't get filled on this account. That would have been nice. Unreal. I can't seem to win on freaking Take Profit Trader. I will though. I will. Usually there's more aggressive volume at lows, so kind of they just never pushed it down. Like if you look, like you never got like through this whole time, you never got big, large down candles. It was just a grind. And when I don't see them push it down, eventually they'll push it up. Now they're consolidating up here. I want to see some more consolidation bars, and then maybe try for another leg up. Woo! It's been a pretty good day, I want to say. That's a pretty big turnaround. Um, that's a really good turnaround. Yeah, anytime. I mean, you take that from 1400 to there. I mean, that's pretty legit. Back to 1700 away from passing. I think we're going to consolidate right here for a little bit, and then probably work another leg up. Unless it's going to go right here, it might go without me. I'm going to put. Yeah, another bull flag. I think it comes back down. Let's see what happens. Welcome new people on the stream. What's up? What's up? Post in the chat so I know who's in here. So I have over 3 years screen time, and over years I've been seeing identical charts over time. If you had to guess how many charts are out there been recycled, 400 to 600. Oh, this eval is taking a freaking bath right now. Ugh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Might be a fake move. More like a fake out. Got me filled at the bottom. Come on, push this thing up. Here we go. I'm just gonna push it up on the chart. Just bing, bing. Just a little flea flicker. Come on, baby. Hit the gas pedal. All right, watch this. Do you use stop on evals? When they start getting close, I do. When they're not close, we let it ride. We let it ride. Come on. Yeah, I don't. Most of the time, I don't have a stop on my evals, to be honest. But as we get closer to passing, I don't want to blow the accounts. So I will, you know, at that stage, I kind of put a stop in. You know, like some of these you see that I'm in right now, I'm taking profits. Come on. This one is getting close, guys. Just give it to me. What are we at right here? 46. Come on. Let's push it. I want to go over. That'll be a second eval I passed today. I honestly believe that we're gonna. They're both 50Ks. One is in Bullnox, and one is in Apex. I'm just trying to think which one. Or are they both in Bullnox? They might both be in Bullnox. I don't. Oh no, I only passed one. I passed one. Yeah, I passed one in Bullnox, and that would make my second one. I don't know. This is looking more iffy as time goes on here. um, they might drop it down to this 34 real quick. And if they do, that's my trade plan. Yo, I'm located in New York. I am in New York. I'm out on Long Island. Let's see what we got on the NJ. I used to live in East Brunswick for a little bit. Yeah, we're going for this here. I think this is going to be. Oh, jeez, come on! Don't do this to me. Yeah, I lived in East Brunswick, right by Rutgers, for a little bit. Ah, yeah. I mean, I liked it there. I stayed there for a little bit, um, and then I just came back home. I got friends that live in Jersey. They're I don't even know what town they're in. A couple friends that live in Jersey. You just blew up your 250K eval right now. Where, on the move up or like in this consolidation? This looks like we're rolling over. Fucking Rhythmic. What happened on Rhythmic? What happened with Rhythmic? Close my position. Closed my position at minus 1,000 and shorted new positions, and account blew up. What? What? That's wild. I've had that happen to me though before, so I want to say I'm not the only person that has happened to. Um, See, the bounce right off the 34. That was an awesome freaking entry I just had on that. I just um so that's gonna lead me to my video I'm gonna make tonight about Rhythmic and Tradeovate, things that people don't even know about when you sign up to use these prop firms. Um, yeah, and it's not just Apex; it's them all basically. Um, Basically, they have no responsibility if you're using another software. They're not responsible for what happens in Rhythmic or what happens in Tradeovate. And it's all the platforms. It's not even just one. It's nobody is because they don't own it. It's just kind of, it is what it is. That sucks though. Let's see if we can break out of this to the upside. That sucks, man. 250s are super hard to do. By the way, Apex has 150s. Still $85 one-time fee if you. So it's easier to pass on the 150s, and it still has the $85 one-time fee. just a you know, are they going to bounce it again off the 34? What are they doing here? What are they doing? We're starting to get sold. We're starting to become into oversold here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce. Come on. Time to really take this to the moon. Let's see. Guess I'm going to get another one top step tomorrow. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to Apex unless they offer 90% off, since rhythmic issues are shit and Tradeovate don't have bracket orders with grouping. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of why I'm going to try going with Quant Tower, to be honest with you. Oh, the ES is dumping too. Do you know what's called what stocks in the ES are dumping, or is it just a little bit of everything? Sometimes I look for stock specific what's going on. Oh yeah, turn this around, baby. Come on. Give us the old bounceroo. The old bounce. Come on. I just feel like we're grinding lower, but now we're starting to become oversold on the short term. I do not like that we're below the 34. I don't like that we broke the 200, but this looks like it's going to ramp up soon. I would have thought they would have pushed it lower at this point. Oh, geez. Come on, what are we doing here, guys? Let's do it. We're going for it or what? Starting a PMO? What's that? I'm interested. What's PMO? Oh, this doesn't look good. I can tell you that right now. Oh, yeah. I'm with you. It's got to hold right here. If it doesn't hold here, this is a broken trade, and I'm done. That red line is the 21 on the 5. So if it doesn't hold here, the trend is broken and we're smoked out, and then you just find another setup. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Yo, bring it up for me while I'm gone. Be back in 2 seconds. Ooh, as you can guess, it's 3 o'clock. Ooh! Oh, that's nice, guys. Yo, way to take care of me while I was gone. I'm just reducing the risk here only because I'm freaking. I think we're going to pop back up to 45 or so. Oh, you went short on an eval? I just reduced my risk because I'm up and I don't want to smoke those accounts now that I'm getting close. But I'm going to leave this one in. I'm not liking this for a funded account trade, to be honest. The reason I'm not is you can see we can't get back over the 200. But if this thing goes and rips above the 200, RIP to the Bears. The Bears. Yeah. So that's where I'm at right now. But so we kind of made our way down here. No big candles to the downside, and this went to oversold. I would assume we're going to get some bigger candles to the upside here. You know, I want to see it go. I would want it. Yeah, I mean, you broke the trend to the downside. I mean, you got. Yeah, I mean, it's not a great spot, but you could see that there. My first target would be like 54, and if we broke that, would basically be like 900, basically VWAP up here. See, I don't like that. If you're long, if you're long, you definitely didn't want that to sell back below the 200. But it came back to 34. If you're long, you want to see a bounce here. I don't know. You're not totally screwed. If this sells below this little trend here, you're probably looking pretty good. You need to get below. You get below, you're probably fine. But yeah, I mean, it's not a great spot to be in. But I'll be honest with you, I could see it rolling over right now. I could definitely see it starting to roll. Ooh, they just scooped it right there. I don't know, Kid Poker. I'll be honest with you. You're right. It looks like you could just get. It looks like you can get it to the downside right here. First of all, we couldn't stay over the 200. It's starting to break the 30-40 downside. We turned south on this. Um, it wouldn't surprise me if we got a little dump off for you. The only thing that sucks is all day you can see it's kind of been like controlled selling. Like you're not getting the big red candles. You're kind of getting controlled selling, um, which is not great for downside action. You know, if you're wanting to see it go down, you want to see the what's up times Enigma. What up? Welcome to the stream. 19823. Yeah, well, that's 18923 is the 21 on the 5. And we get below that, you're, I don't know if you're going to get that. This thing's looking freaking tasty. Yeah, throw in a little, yeah, so you're probably, I just took a stab. I'm not, dude, don't take the loss. You're starting to freaking make the game right here. I'm taking the L. Oh, the old fakeroo. They just got you. Oh, man. Yeah, Kid Poker, way to just take your money and run. See, it's real choppy right here. And it's a little consolidation. It's definitely looking pretty tight. And I think you're going to get a solid move in the last half hour. I wouldn't trade a funded account right here. This isn't one of my setups for like. So look, we're right. Oh, I didn't even realize we're riding the. What do you call it? Right here is the pivot point. We're above the pivot point. We're holding it. This is looking really good now that I'm. Now that I'm looking at it. I kind of like this more and more. I keep winning points. Oh, come on. This is actually looking. Good luck. I mean, I wanted to pass this one account. I think we're going to get a. I think it's going to rip up here, but we're definitely barcoding. But I have a feeling we're going to get a rip. Watch this. What do I do here? Watch this. I'm just going to go throw a 5 spot on that. Let's see what happens. Come on. Right now, I say it's a short until maybe 8:12. It can't get over the 200 and stay there, which I definitely do not like. If we can make it back up to 41, 42, I think this can really rip. It's got to hold like right here. This is basically the line in the sand for me, is like right here. You know, I want to see. Ooh, ooh baby. I'm liking the setup less and less as time goes on, just being honest. Is here the rollover? Market only go down? What's up, Captain? Yo, Captain, you in? What are you in? 800? It feels like it wants to go down, but starting to pump a little bit. Come on. Come on. Pump it, baby. Because I lost 600 on Globex already, didn't find any good setups that were good. What's Globex? Everything was very laggy on NQ in the morning. It wasn't even synced with ES. What's Globex by like, what is that? I feel like I'm missing out. I bought the dip on Globex yesterday. What's Globex? Is that like oil or something? See Bitcoin taking a thrashing today. I don't know if any of you guys follow that. This thing's looking freaking solid here. Oh, pump it, baby. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Give me the pump pump. Oh, I got this eval back up to a decent spot. I don't even know what market so. What is Globex though, Captain? Oh my god, that's crazy. That just sucked. Lucky I sold out of a lot of my longs right there on that pop. Woo! All right. I'm gonna go back in one. I just went back in 3. I'm probably gonna get stopped out, but I'm just playing the range right now to see if they hold it here again. If not, I'm out. Whatever. You know. If they hold it here, I'm still in. If they don't hold it here, I'm out. And it looks like I'm going to be out. Yo, what type of beer you get? What type of beer you on? So what I do is I'll only trade evals when I don't like the price action. Nah, I only trade evals when I don't like the price action, basically to keep me out of losing real money. So that's why when you see me just trading a bunch of evals instead of my funded accounts, that's because I don't really like it that much. Oh man, I can't trade this account anymore. I didn't even realize I was. See, this is why. Here's a prime example, guys, on why if you have too many accounts, it's bad. I was in here on this, and I would have definitely sold on this pop if I knew I was in, and I just got stopped out not knowing. Um, I have too many accounts, is where I'm sitting at right now. Too many accounts. I gotta get Quant Tower or something to sync them all together. Um, just because there's new people on. Top Step is running a deal tomorrow, 100K accounts. I don't know what the deal is going to be. So I don't want you to just buy a Top Step account today if they're having the deal tomorrow. Take Profit Traders got 40% off plus no activation fee. Coupon code Cove Trader. They had 50% off deal. I don't know if they still have it. I haven't seen it, but that's been the best that I've seen is 50% off. Apex is 80% off. The best I've seen is 90. But they're running the $85 one-time fee for the 150, 250s, and 300s. Bull Knox is running 83% off, but it was just 90% off on Friday. So maybe you wait a little bit and see if they do 90% off again. Those are all the deals that I know about. Just throwing it out there. I don't want you guys paying full price for anything. Oh, I'm not going to end up passing this account today. Sucks. I'm $1,000 away, and I don't think I'm going to pass it unless we get a freaking monster move somewhere. Here we go. This is straight degen style, guys. Come on. I just did it. I'm doing it for the stream. Come on. I'm going to have a stop right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is this at? 14. Come on. Drop it, baby. I should probably take profits, right? Probably. Woo! You guys like that? That was a pretty good hit right there. That was like a $500 hit. Now maybe I could pass this. Maybe I could pass it. I still got 18 minutes to pass it. Woo! All right, let's see. Let me get my seat. We're almost at 800. So what do you think? You think we get the 800 bounce for a couple points here? If we get an 800 bounce, For 10 points, I'll pass it. What do you think? It's going to sweep below the lows? Come on. Come on. Just give it to us. We got 17 minutes left. I think we're going to get filled right here. But I don't know if it's going to sell through. Hold on one second.
Maybe can I have the bouncy?
No. Yes, Mom. Oh, my kids are home from school the last hour of trading, so it gets freaking rough sometimes. You need a firm reaction, but maybe eval, maybe you just jump in. I'm trying to push up some of these funded accounts in the come on, they're going to reject it off this 8 right here. They're going to reject it. They're going to come down. They're going to fill me, and then they're going to bring it up. That's what we need. That's what we need. Come on. One time. One time. One time. That's my one time for today. My one time. I'll need another one time tomorrow, obviously. But my one time for today would be right now. Oh, yeah. Here we go. That's super kill algo time. I am worried about how it acts. Oh, the 350 algo? 350 algo can be nasty. Oh, shit. Oh, man. I'm filled in accounts. I didn't even know I had orders in. Oh, jeez. That is not good. I did not even know I had account. I didn't even know. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. I didn't even know I had a. Not cool. That kind of hosed me a little bit. I didn't know I had orders in for this. Man, these orders must have been old. Jeez. I don't want to be in any PA accounts right now. Oh, it's not good. That's not. Come on. Come on. Bail me out of this. Bail me out. Come on. Pump it. Pump it for me. Oh, geez. I didn't want to do this. I didn't want this. Fuck. Smoked. Absolutely smoked. So stupid. So stupid. Oh, it was the worst. All right. That was not what we wanted. I could tell you that right now. Q, Q, Q. Let's see where we are on the Qs. Maybe we can get a play that's better. I was long and then it slipped like 60 points. Ouch. I didn't want to buy anything in any funded accounts, to be honest with you. Um, oh wow, my 150. You know what? This account smoked. So we're gonna buy long, and we're gonna pray that the thing goes up. That's where I'm at with this account's done. Account smoked. The drawdown is only like $1,000 on a 250 account. Is pretty much the end of it. To be honest with you, yeah, it had to make a move, and I don't even like the 250s to be honest. You think we're gonna grab? We might grab. We might touch the lows right here. Wow, I almost just bought five. Five would have been a. What is the lows? What are we at? Anyways, it's like 67. Let's fire up one of these things. Oh, that algo just hit. I'm trying to just stack up at the bottom here. What do I got? I got five. All right, one, two, three, four, five. We're just gonna let this ride. Come on. Oh wow, I got filled in my PA account. Awesome. In 55. Good, I got some of my money back, baby. Okay. That was pretty good. Woo! Did you see that? Your Dom won't go any lower. Oh man, that was pretty good. That helped get some of those losses back I took on that trade I didn't know my freaking orders were in. But see, we're kind of just still trending down from here. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if we now make lower lows. How's that sound? I'm gonna put my I'm gonna let this trade out probably. Oh, I'm taking that. That's freaking $200 quick. I just got. No, no. I might take this right here, right at the lows here. What do you think? You think they sweep it on us? What do you think they're gonna sweep it? I wouldn't be surprised to see a sweep and then they bring it right back up. Here you go. They just swept it. They just swept it. Watch. Look. That's exactly what they did. They just swept it. Yeah. Yeah, they made the new low to catch any to get all your stops, and then they just bring it right back up. What up, Eddie? What up? What up? Eddie's back. Yo, look at that. Ooh. Yeah, so what they do a lot is they'll make a new low here, so you get sold out, and then they just ramp it, and now you go chase like a newbie. That's how it works. Those are the sweeps. I just went short here, right, to see if they hold it below right here, but I have a feeling they're not going to. I have a feeling they're going to blast this thing. But if they, oh, are they going to sell it all the way down? What are they doing? That was a big candle. Oh, I just took my profit. I got a couple of these that are close. Let's see. Let's see what they do here. Are they going to bring it back up? Come on. Bring it up. And zero DJs. Wow, true DGen battles. Bro, this is straight DGen trading right now if you're just watching. Come on. Come on. Come back up and film me. Whatever. I got a couple of these that are close to over now, all because of this crazy price action. Here, I'll buy one. Come on. I got this one almost. This was another one I almost have over too.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. He's here. I'm gone.
Okay. Come on. I think this is gonna go. I think this is gonna go all the way. Let's. Oh, my kids are going crazy. I got 4 minutes left. Oh, I mean, it stopped. No, come back. Ah, oh, geez, we finally took an L on one. Kid Poker is going to go along with it. Dude, this is crazy. What are we at? At 33? If we hit 33, I'll tell you right now, I'm blasting in. I'm just putting this right here. 33. I don't think it's going to go down to 33 personally. But if it does, I'm putting my orders in right now. I need to get you just got destroyed? What are you doing?
Okay. Go with Daddy.
No.
Go watch the play. Do your
No.
Go Don't play video games.
Oh,
All right.
I got 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Get the hell off of me. I am late. I am late, and I have to.
Oh no, dude, kid's going crazy right now. I'm gonna have to jump off, but look at this. Look at this. Oh yes. No. I have buy set up. What's my Apex Trader discount code good for? It's right now. It's 80% off. They're giving right now. What's up, Stay Blue? Welcome to the stream. They're doing 80% off, and they're doing $85 for if you pass. You get one time. It's $85 on the 150s, 250s, and 300s. Look at that. Pump it. You know, after hours, they're going to jam this like down and then back up or something. Guaranteed it's going to get pumped one way or another. Crazy down ticks. Oh, dude, it's just crazy action. Crazy action. I want to get out of all my stuff, to be honest with you. I'm going to sell out of, I got to cancel all my orders. I don't want to get caught in after hours craziness. I don't want to fry any of my accounts. 67. I'm just going to, actually, you know what? The account I'm in is a 250. So I'm just going to let that ride, but I'm literally going through my funded accounts. Uh-oh, Kid Poker, what are you in? Don't blow any. Oh, don't blow it up, dude. What time does Apex kick you out of daily trades? At 5 o'clock, 5 or 4:49 p.m. Oh man, you want to see that bounce? Yo, this is the spot. I mean, this is the pivot point. It came down, basically touched it, but the problem is the market's over. So do I trust the bounce is going to happen here? Welcome to the stream, future millionaire, by the way. What's up? What's up? What's up? Look at this pivot point bounce. The problem is we're not in market hours, so I don't know if we're going to go anywhere off of this. Like if we were in market hours, I would be in with like all my funded accounts right now. But I don't think we're going to get this bounce to be reals. I'm making sure I'm out of all my stuff, to be honest with you. The only thing I'm not out of is this one I'm still in this like a degenerate. Listen, I was up big shorting today. Thanks for the call out. Up $4,590 trading 6 accounts. Yo, were you up $4,590 in each of the 6 accounts? Or is that all the accounts are up $4,590 total? And are you trading funded accounts? Oh, baby, is this turning around for me? I almost want to take one stab at it with a. I guess I'm kind of.
After 2 minutes, can you play video?
Yeah, we can go, bud. I was just kind of seeing. I might leave. You know what I might do? Where are we right here? We're at 33. All right. I just went straight degen in another account, 2 contracts. Let's see what happens here. Hey, man. Oh, are those funded? First time senior live trade. Saw the vid about Apex payout. Yeah, man. Well, hey, I'm here a lot trading. Feel free to come by. Just having some fun, man. Just trying to have some fun, make some money. You know, that's what it's about. All combines, almost at my goal in 3 days. Maybe one. I play conservative. Hey, if it's working for you, just keep playing how that is. That's my piece of advice. Just keep playing how you're playing. You know, I would stick with that. If you go set it up, I'll go play with you, bud. Okay?
We're starting to go pee.
Okay, good idea. I'm getting off in a few. I'm gonna go hang out with my kid and whatnot. But I think today was a pretty good day. I might get caught here in this straight up degen play because I'm probably not going to sell out. Yeah, trying to hit home runs. Dude, hitting home runs is not the way to trade. I'm probably going to take some money right here. I'm going to take this off right here. And let me go to 67. We're 67. What am I in? I'm in 8 contracts. So we're going to set a 5 sell for right there. And we're going to set a 3 sell. I got my, what are we in? What is it, 67? This is an eval right here. I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to hit a home run right here, to be honest with you. I'm just moving up my stops. Because the biggest thing you got to worry about with the 250s is the drawdown. You don't want your drawdown to get too small because you'll get freaking smoked out. So I'm trying to keep the drawdown pretty tight on a 250, but I'm trying to let this run after hours to kind of to push it because I'm only going to need about $5,000 more tomorrow or less. I mean, this thing just keeps going. Oh, look at that candle. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm going to take my profits out right here. I'll go meet you by TV. Go. Give me 2 minutes, bud. All right. It's about that time. Look at that. Hopefully tomorrow I get that funded. Guys, I want to say I appreciate everybody that came on the stream today. I hope to see you tomorrow. And, just thanks for everything. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for hanging out. We made some money today. Apex tempting you to pass in one day. I think everyone probably overlet. Yeah. Oh, without a doubt. But all right, it's time. I got to go do some things. So that degen and bounce, but I'll continue bouncing. Hold on 1 second.
This won't work.
It does, bud. Here.
It's not showing any.
Yeah, you gotta hit the button.
Okay, Mary.
Okay, come here. Here. Oh man, craziness. Apex Temp into you. I do 1 to 3 contracts in each account. Greed burns me. Yes, greed burns me too. That degen and balance maker held out on, but I'll continue balancing all I get. Wow, NVDA was down almost 7%. See you here again. Got you on my notification. Thanks, Future Millionaire. All algo here at 20s and up. Just like my glow overshoot down, you could rally 100 points at least. I mean, we crushed off the bottoms, but all right, guys, I got to go. I've been on this for hours, almost 4 hours. All right, I will talk to you guys later on. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you tomorrow.